So today I'm going to show you through Billy's boat. He's got a 233 Formula Classic with a hard top, a pod and an amazing setup. So we'll go through it today. So Billy's opted for twin 225 Mercs in the V6 range, which are just a beautiful engine. They're becoming one of our most popular setups, so we're loving them. He's also got a pod, which essentially is an extension of the hull, turning the boat into a 25-foot boat. So nice and big and a lot of room for the family when they go out fishing. And he's also opted for the dive platforms, so it's nice and functional for when he's out there. He can jump off the back, go swimming, climb in and out. Nice and easy for him. As you can see, we're standing at the back of the 233 Formula with a pod. So we've got a fair bit more room here, about 400mm extra deck space. So it's the exact same hull mould. All we do is add on a pod and we have a different shaped deck. So that's how we achieve the extra deck room. We've got just a very nice functional setup here with the bait board, snapper racks, batteries on either side and your VSR cluster switches over here. You've also got a beautiful bilge grate here that's highly polished and looks amazing, and your deck wash over on your starboard side, and over on your port side we've got a combing rack and gaff racks. So now we're up at the helm. As you can see, we've got a custom esky frame seat here for Billy, and he's opted for having an Engel fridge in here on a slider. So it's a pretty cool setup. We can just lift that up, push that down, and out slides your esky. So super functional. You can even pop that back down again if you want to have a seat, and then you can lock it away. So now we're up at the helm. Billy's opted for a nice clean dash. He's two 12-inch Simrads. He's stress-free and all his usual setup switches, binnacle over here. And up the top we've got his VHF and 27 meg radio, and it's nice and functional, a little shelf up the top as well, so nice and easy for everyone to use when you're out fishing. Alright, so now we're in the cabin of Billy's boat, and what I think is a must is the toilet. So it's nice and functional. In here, you lift out your hatches and there you go. You've got a nice toilet that you can use. It's nearly a must for most ladies, I would say. So great option there, Billy. So I'd just like to say huge congratulations to Billy, Chris and Amanda on their beautiful boat. They've been such a pleasure to build a boat for, and I couldn't be happier that they've got it for this summer and many years to come. So congratulations, guys.